Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's CakeBird here with another tutorial. This is a second type of holographic Among Us sticker. I decided I would post this tutorial as well, just in case people didn't want to do the layered vinyl. Today I'm going to be using paper from Online Labels. It's weatherproof, matte, for inkjet printers. I also have this really sparkly, beautiful holographic vinyl. I'm going to layer that over my stickers. I was using Autodesk and I had already uploaded my design to Cricut Design Space. I made sure I had a transparent background so Cricut would know how to cut out my image. The paper I'm using today is your standard 8.5 by 11. You just want to make sure that your printer and your Cricut Design Space both understand that that's the type of paper you're using. I turned on bleed so I get a nice cut around my stickers. And then ultimately when I picked a pressure, I picked the pressure for a poster board because I layered my holographic sparkly stickers on top. The first print that I made did not come out very well. It had a bunch of lines and it was definitely not the prettiest image I've ever seen. So I went in and the next time I went to print the image through Design Space, I clicked Open Printer Settings and I applied a photo setting that increased the image quality. At this point, I'm going to start playing some of my favorite tunes off of the YouTube Studio via the Creator portal. You can fast forward to 7 minutes and 30 seconds to see the final product. TikTok, so here's me actually taking some quick little clips for my new TikTok channel. You should check it out. It's under my name, CakeBird. Now that my Cricut is finally done cutting out my little imposter characters, I stuck some to my Instax Mini 9. I thought they were so cute. I love these like really sparkly pink ones. This is how it looks under the light. They're really sparkly. I love the holographic element to them, and they're super adorable. Please comment, like, and subscribe to get a chance to win a whole little packet of my stickers. I love giving out stuff to my subscribers. I'd like to thank you all for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys make these at home. And if you do, take a picture and send it to our CakeBird PO Box. Stay tuned for other Cricut how-to simple tips and tricks and tutorials. Thank you so much for all of your support. And enjoy your little holographic Among Us imposters. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't be like the 85.7% of the people who watch my videos who are not. That would be a great help in helping my channel grow. If you stayed until this part of the video, check out my Redbubble account where I just uploaded a bunch of cute little designs for fall. You can get them in an assortment of different things like hoodies and iPhone cases and stickers and magnets. So I'd love for you guys to check that out. The link is in my channel. Alright, bye!